and it would impress your examiner as well. Okay, in the event of a missed approach, this is what I'm gonna fly. Here's my go-around checklist. Hello crew, what's up? Welcome to the first edition of Fly Like a Pro, an IGTV exclusive, where we're trying to bridge the gap from the flight training environment to the professional cockpit, giving you tips, tricks, and tactics, procedures, things that you can introduce now to start flying like a pro. My name's Corey Scout. I'm a corporate jet captain based out of Utah, if you don't already know that. I'm also a certified flight instructor for Utah State University. This is gonna be an IGTV show. If you think it should be on YouTube, leave a comment, let me know. I really want to hit as many topics as possible and things that I found difficult transitioning from a flight instructor and flight training environment, getting into a corporate jet cockpit. So let's just get into it and start with today's episode. Today's Missed Approach Monday. I don't know if every day is gonna have an alliteration, but it felt right today. One of the things my co-pilot Chad and I talked about recently was how we could improve our briefings. We were good at briefing a missed approach, you know, climb to 900 feet, then a left turn 070 to intercept the 263 radial to 19.8 DME and hold, or whatever it is. But we didn't actually talk about the missed approach procedure and what that would look like flying the airplane. And I can tell you from experience, if you don't talk about that and you actually have to do it, sometimes it can get a little messy. Your airplane should have a go-around checklist, and that would be a good idea to brief that as well as your missed approach and what you're actually going to fly. Talk about how you're going to fly it. You know, for us, it would be okay in the event of a missed, it's toga power, flaps 15, positive rate, gear up, VAP plus 10, flaps up, and you know, if I need to switch my nav source from green needles to magenta, I'll do that. That doesn't take very long. It's a simple brief that can save you a lot of problems. I can tell you that's a busy time in the airplane. If you've talked about before how you're actually gonna fly the airplane, instead of just trying to do it from memory, if you verbalized it and you both are on the same page, it saves a lot of problems, especially if you're single pilot. And it would impress your examiner as well. Okay, in the event of a missed approach, this is what I'm gonna fly. Here's my go-around checklist. Okay, I'm gonna look through it. Like, that would get you a lot of points on a check ride and increase your professionalism. Thank you guys for watching this first edition of Fly Like a Pro. Again, these are gonna be simple, quick tips, tricks, strategies, things that you can do to improve your professionalism in the cockpit now as a flight student that will help you do better on your check ride and transition to a professional cockpit that much easier. If you guys found any value in this, it would mean a lot if you shared it with somebody in your flight school. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of it. If there's something else you would like me to specifically talk about in a professional environment, yeah, please leave a comment, shoot me a message. I'd love to talk about that for you. We've all got extra time now with COVID-19 going on, so I want to provide some value. Busted out the old Jet Select uniform from this. You don't want to see it from here down. This thing doesn't fit.